what the fuck moment. Like, why are you there, helicopter? What the fuck is this? At 10 o'clock at night, just like a parade. Cops and a helicopter just driving over Evergreen. Like, come on, you guys. It'll be fun. It's all fucking driving around. It's not suspicious. Strange at all, right?
God damn it, why'd I have to go this way?
It's like, how are you supposed to know that something this crazy is going on?
I'm cutting you off, boss.
Look at all this. This is necessary. This is where your tax dollars are going, you guys. It's all fucking... have a fucking parade of cops. Got like the highest gas prices, you know, and everything, but you know, no big deal. This is cool. It's totally worth it, whatever this is.
No, they'll just make us pay more money.
Fucking stupid. There's the helicopters. I can hear it.
Assholes, I just want to get to the fucking store.
You just want to go buy some beer. This is bullshit. Shenanigans.
Too much to fucking ask around this bitch.
I will, when we stop at the store. I'm just filming this because it's ridiculous. I want everybody to see what we had to fucking traverse to go to the fucking liquor store. Obnoxious. You're fucking... Fuck the police.
Like, I really want to yell at him, like, why are you doing this?
Right? Why?
You're on candid camera, cop.
Look at them all. Woo! Woo! Hello, police officer. Putting up flares and shit. Yeah. See you. See you, motherfucker. See you.
God, that's fucking stupid.
It was ridiculous. And, yeah, it was fucking ridiculous. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit, right?
Oh, there's a liquor store right there.
Liquor store.
We should have walked here. We could have made it here a lot
I know, what
quicker.
the fuck? I wouldn't have liked walking with all the fucking...
Taxi bus.
Liquor store. Liquor store.